guys, it's BrianaLynee here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. Welcome back. If you guys are new, be sure to follow me on Instagram, and you can find all of my contact information down below in the description box. Today I'm bringing you guys something a little new. This company called PinchMe reached out to me. They sent me some new products to try. So for those of you who've never heard of PinchMe before, PinchMe, a company that lets you try all of these name brand products for free. Yes, for free. For free. All you have to do in return is give them your feedback. So today I received my PinchMe box, and I'm just going to show you all what's inside, and I'm going to go over all these products. For all of you who would like to try out this PinchMe company, every month they have new products that are released, but it's only for members, so be sure to sign up. I put the referral code down in the description box, so be sure to click on that link so you can sign up and try these cool products as well. There's so many products that come in this PinchMe box. It can range from beauty, cleaning, health, food. Yeah, food. This service is available to everybody in the US. Not everyone that signs up is guaranteed to get a box, but they do provide all of their members with other kinds of freebies, whatever that may be. The best way to make sure that you get a box is to click the referral link down below, fill out all of that information, and make sure that your profile is 100% up to date and complete. That way you're more likely to get a box. So with all of that being said, I'll be happy to get into this box and see what did I get this month. That I'm going to show you all out of my box is the Sundown Naturals Multi and Daily Immune Support Vitamins. Wow. So these vitamins are used every single day. No dairy, so if you're lactose, these are good for you. No artificial flavors, and non-GMO. For all you health freaks, let me know what that means down in the comments below. The next thing in my box I'm going to be looking at, which I was pretty excited to see, was this Compeed. I believe that's how it's pronounced. Compeed blister band-aid. And I think I was so excited about it because it protects and cushions blisters. It stays in place, provides optimum cushioning from rubbing and pressure. This was important to me because every day I go to work, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but somehow my feet always slide to the back of my shoe, and my heel rubs on my shoe, and it hurts. So I'm actually getting over a blister from work, and I'm actually going to use this as soon as I'm done with this video. I'm going to pull out, it's a L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask. Nice. Detox and brighten. 3 pure clays in charcoal. Results in 10 minutes. Oh, got some more skin cleaning products. This one is the Biore. It's a charcoal face wash. This is great for oily skin, removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. It's a little cleanser. So wet a cotton pad and wipe it all over your face until your skin is completely clean. To remove eye makeup, hold the pad over closed eyes for a few seconds. I'm glad they said make sure my eyes were closed. I would have left them open. This is a little sample for a Moroccan oil treatment. That is the Garnier Fructis. And this is a smoothing treatment, a 1-minute hair mask, and avocado extract. Some food, pure protein, a protein bar. Yeah, get you some good eats. This is like a chewy chocolate chip bar. It feels So I just got this box maybe like 3 days ago, so it shouldn't be stale, but it's a little... I'm gonna leave it. We have Ricola. We have a Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. Oh, that's neat. The new primer. We have a native deodorant. This seems like, oh, the smell is gonna be coconut and vanilla, and you can just tell by the packaging. It was about to be something special. How many products is this? And we also have some almond butter. Yeah, so I feel sick instantly. Call the doctor. Overall, I got about 10 to, well, I got the Ricolas too, so just say like 12 products overall. And all of this came in this little box, so you can get a variety of stuff each month. If you sign up, you too can try out all of these cool products, and you might even get some things that you were interested in that you thought to yourself that you would never purchase, because this literally just happened to me. I wish I've never even looked for a blister cushion. I'm so excited about this. I hope you have fun looking at what was in the PinchMe box. And if y'all have any questions, you guys have anything else that you want me to look at so we can talk about, if you have, be sure to comment below and I'll be sure to respond to you. I'm gonna try all of my new products, and if you follow me on Instagram, I'll be posting about all these products as I use them, and be sure to shout out PinchMe for hooking me up with this cool box. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace!